Kashnong Muallian kabadon ha East Gentil District kabaha papo jongkari jantia leadership saipung kadai kawai ne kishnong bagi paidbah ki ya Kynduh jingeh hadu kata-kata ha kabaidei bat kalet kawan kajingyo boarding electric bat ka umbam umdi kibabon na kinong shnong kidi na kajat benrobiate kebaim ha karep karyang kum karep sensar karep kwai tempo karep so bat kiwei kijat jingrep Habakren bat uwahe shnong ulal ram zuwa danai kumjo ru secretary shnong u ila zara danai kilapan paw ya kajing sokhia halo kajing bagi paidbah ki ya Kynduh ha kajing im maman la kesngi laong ba kani ka shnong kala du ya ka boarding nadu usnem araja khat kendai hadu umenta ka shushong ha kajing dum klem boarding nadu basneu ka machine transformer ha ka bai dei bat ko umbam di pat uwahe shnong ulai thu ba ka jingdona palan ha ka jingdon kitlong ki bomla ban penpoi sha shnong kala bu jing ha ko umbam di kumtaw la karpat ya katanat PHE bagan sobha banwan ra no da ka project banlum slab lan ne ka rainwater harvesting project hapo jong ka shnong ha ka bai dei bat ka surok pan ula ai kublai ya ka kong Santa Mary Shilla ibalong menta ka MLA jong ka than ibroan jungo ya ka shnong Muallian ha ubnai nai weng jong usnem araja ar bat ilapun lut nalade hadu ulai pusan lak tengka ha ka bachna bha ya ka surok lakmi lintiru bahapo ka jingelam jong ka tei ka nong mi khamat kinsayo ya ka surok ka bakam bha ka banlong ka jingmentoi ya ki paidbah ha ka lit kawan ka kit ka ba bat ban penpoi ya ki marrep jong ki shaki jakayo La sakhiru ba kani ke shnong kadai ka bapan mi bon bha ya u sensar bon na kinong shnong kidai ki barep sensar bat la ban ong ba kani ka kam rep sensar kadai ka wei na ki kam ba kongsan jongki ban kamai jakpo bat pendap ya ka jingdon kam haye ngasem khamtam ya ka ban pha school ya ki khon jongki shabar na ka shnong
Muallian EJHD Hills district is the first village to get PWD road connection in the years 1974. But we were neglected for so many years. No repairing was done by the department. Luckily, during the months of November 2022, Kong Santa Mary, elected MLA of Stenga Saipung constituency, visited our village and contributed around 35 lakhs for making a road. We believe that under her leadership, we will get a good road which will help us to travel and also to transport the agriculture product to market. Regarding electricity, we are facing a lot of problem as we did get electricity since 2019 because of transformer failure. I request the MECL department to install a new transformer in the village. As its appearance, the MECL department did the electricity billing for many months that the villager cannot afford to pay the bills of big amount of many months. So I request the electricity department to do monthly billing regularly, so that the people will not facing problem in payment. I want to mention that since there is a lack of water sources in the village, so I request the PG department to implement the project of rainwater harvesting or any others project for the villagers, so that people will not facing problem with drinking water, as the villagers have to walk on foot around 20 to 30 minutes to fetch water from spring water.